Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily add a profile picture on your BeReal account. It's very easy and can be done just in few steps. Make sure that you stick with me till the end. So BeReal is an application that allows you to add friends from all around the world. So when you have a picture on your profile, it makes your friend easier to find you on the BeReal application as well as recognize you. So I can show you how you can do it just in few steps. Just make sure that you follow me till the end. So first of all, open the application and make sure that you are logged into your account. So when you are logged in, there on your home screen at the top right corner, you will see your profile icon. Click there. And there you will also find the option to edit my profile. It's very easy. You just need to click there. And there on your profile icon, you will find a button. When you click there, it will give you an option to take a picture or pick from your gallery. You can do either. I'm going to pick from my gallery. You can choose whatever picture you have and make sure that your picture is more visible to the people so that your friends can easily recognize you and know who you are. So when you are done editing and cropping the picture, click on the top right tick mark and wait for a while. And when you're done, just click on the top right corner where you can find the tick mark. And that's you go. Now you have successfully added a profile picture on your BeReal account. I hope you liked the video and I also hope that it helped you a little. Thank you for watching.